Good day, my name is Princess Yasmin Gatman, and for this activity, I will be conducting an interview to better understand the role of technical writing in different professions. So, technical writing is an important skill in many fields, and for this interview, we'll learn about its value from a professional perspective. So, today I am with Mr. John Paulo Tabing, a businessman who manages and operates a water station business. He has years of experience in handling business operations, customer service, and documentation. So I chose him because I believe his insights will show us how technical writing applies in the field of business. So thank you for joining me today. Let me start with my first question. What is your experience in writing technical papers?
In running my water station business, I often prepare technical documents such as inventory reports, financial statements, and standard operating procedures. I also write formal communications like business proposals and agreements with suppliers. So these documents help me keep my business organized and professional.
So thank you. Now for the second question. What are your strengths in writing technical papers?
My strength is being clear and straightforward. So since I deal with employees and suppliers, I make sure my documents are easy to understand and practical. I also pay attention to accuracy, especially when it comes to numbers and instructions, because even small errors can affect the business.
For the third question, what are your weaknesses in writing technical papers?
One weakness I have noticed is that sometimes I struggle with grammar and formatting. I focus more on the content rather than how it looks. So sometimes my papers need improvement in terms of style and presentation. But I'm working on improving this because professional looking documents also leave a good impression.
And for the last question, what is the value of technical writing in your profession?
Technical writing is very valuable in business because it keeps everything organized and professional. Well-written documents help in managing operations smoothly, building trust with customers and suppliers, and making sure that everyone involved understands the procedures and agreements clearly. It's really an important tool for running a successful business.
So, to summarize from the insight shared by Mr. Tabing, we learned that technical writing plays an important role in managing a business. It helps us in keeping operations organized, ensures accuracy in reports, and strengthens communication with employees. So, this interview shows us that technical writing is not just for academic or technical fields, but also a key part of business success. I would like to thank Mr. John Paulo Tabing for sharing his valuable experiences and insights about technical writing. So, thank you as well to our teacher and classmates for watching this interview.